Welcome. So today I am with AirPods, the second generation, and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level of your AirPods Pro and the charging case on your Apple Watch. So first we have to unlock our Apple Watch, and then we have to grab our case, open it to connect them, and right now, as you can see, we can just click on this widget, and there it is, the AirPods, level of the battery and level of the case. So right now click here again to go back, and now we can just swipe the finger and move to this option to check the battery also. And yeah, this is how you check the battery level on your Apple Watch. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.